What is up, guys? Welcome to Vegan Turismo, a travel for the best vegan food. And today is the day, guys, because I'm gonna show you how you can turn this into this. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Vegan Turismo. We make delicious vegan food videos on this channel. Do subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be really fun. By the way, watch the whole video because end of the video, I'm gonna show you a bonus recipe, which is avocado toast. It's really healthy, really fresh. So without any further ado, let's dive into today's video. Are you planning to throw a birthday party this summer? This is a perfect appetizer gonna go on the dining table because it's so refreshing, it's so healthy, and it's quite simple with the basic ingredients you have in the house. So we have here the fresh carrots, cucumber, asparagus, avocado, and some tomatoes. We need some salt and pepper for seasoning, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so today we are gonna be using this cool gadget. You can always use the knife to slice the cucumber. If you have this, it's going to be really easy to get that thin slices. For now, let's go with this one. Okay, so gently press and we are going to slice this cucumber into those thin strips like I'm showing it to you here. Unfortunately, we are not going to be using those first few strips because they are super narrow and we need a wider one. This one looks perfect. I'm going to be using this one. Depends on how many rolls you are planning to make. Make the same slices. We are gonna put those in the bowl and we are gonna season it with salt and pepper and keep it aside for a while. Okay, so it's time to cut some veggies. You don't have to stick to the veggies that we talked about earlier in the video, but you can improvise. You can use what is available like radish, beetroot, bell pepper, broccoli. Yeah, just try different things, and if you found out a different taste and texture that people will like, then just share your ideas in the comment section below, or you can also share the picture on Instagram and tag Vegan Turismo. Okay, so before we even start cutting, we are gonna hone the knife because honing keeps the knife sharp for a long time. Okay, so we will start with the carrots. We are not gonna chop it fine, but we are just gonna do the rough chop, roughly like 1 inch in length, like you are seeing here. And once you are done with the carrots, we are gonna move to the asparagus. Sounds really fancy, right? The way Gordon Ramsay says it.
It's the most exciting part, cooking the asparagus.
And for this one, we are just gonna do the 2 cuts, 2 inches, and that's perfect. Okay, so people who are cooking in England, we are gonna get tomato. Today, I'm gonna be using cherry tomatoes because the size is perfect. And I personally think that they have really nice flavors in that small package. And finally, the most important thing I like so much, which is avocado. And I feel like I can eat avocado any time of the day. Take the avocado, cut it in half, open it, hit it, twist it, and pull it. And you are gonna get the clean, clear avocado right there. Okay, so make sure the slices of avocado are really thin, because if you have the thick slices of avocado, then they are gonna be really hard to roll. They might break in the middle, which is not good. If you are making this thing with me, you will have colorful chopped veggies on the chopping board like I have right here. And we are gonna keep rolling those beautiful masterpieces. Okay, so place those veggies like that. And you can try a different sequence, but I felt like this one was really easy to roll. So I'm gonna go with this one. As you can see, we will start rolling gently. And look at that, the roll is ready. Okay, so even though the roll is ready, we are not gonna eat it right away, but we are gonna make it look beautiful. So take a plate. I did not find the square plate, otherwise I would have gone with that one. But today I'm gonna be using the round one. For sauce, I'm gonna be using Sriracha sauce on the side and garnish it with fresh slice of avocado and asparagus. I'm gonna add cherry tomato because it's gonna give that red bright color to it. You can be creative, you can come up with your own design. Yeah, just share photos and I would love to see that. Okay, so the bonus dish we are gonna talk about is so beautiful, just like the previous one. So delicious, yet so simple with few ingredients. So for this one, we are gonna be using vegan butter. It's already salty, so you don't have to add so much salt in the seasoning. For citrus, we have lime, we have wheat bread, we have fresh dill for garnishing, we have some seasoning, and don't forget about avocado, because avocado toast without avocado. Okay, so we are gonna toast some bread slices first. If you don't have toaster, you can just throw it in the oven for less than 2 minutes and it should be done. Okay, so first thing you wanna do, throw the avocado in the bowl. Oh, I do not mean literally, but it works. Okay, so let's move forward. We are gonna add some lime. If you don't have lime, then we can also use lemon. After that, you're gonna sprinkle some magical salt and pepper. That's pretty much it for the seasoning. It's almost ready, guys. Okay, so we are gonna mix it all together, put it on the toast, garnish it the way you like. I'm gonna use the fresh dill on top, and that's how Swapnil created this beautiful looking, fresh, healthy appetizer that you also want to eat. It looks really beautiful, really healthy, really greeny. I really like the color of that. I'm just gonna add some lime there. That's pretty much it. A little bit of dill. First bite going in. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave the comments in the comment section below. I would love to see what you want to say about this video. See you in the next one.